I thought I'd just take a couple minutes to tell you a little bit about the class that I teach called Happily Ever Now. This was my creation that came out of my own personal transformation. If you knew me 20 years ago or 25 years ago, probably 25 years, I used to wear a turban. I was part of the Kundalini Yoga community, Sikh Dharma. And it was as if, even though it took some time, it was as if one day I woke up and said, okay, I get it, now what? And that began my journey around 2001. It took about 8 years for a complete transformation in which I had some, what we usually call Satori experience, where you have states of consciousness where you just know things come to you. There's a complete transformation. That happened to me, and the tools that I experienced during that time, and I'm going to say the word me, but there wasn't a me there to know this. I just don't know how to say it. There was the experience of this thing I thought of as me being nothing, and at the same time, everything. This thing that I experienced as me in the present moment was not a noun, it was more like a verb. So if this sounds really puzzling to you, it's because it's hard to explain the awareness, the experience of presence, and the experience that nothing can really ever happen to you, that the energy that you are is infinite and can never really change. And you don't need to be afraid to learn about yourself, to discover and know yourself, that you can be your own best friend. And this is what Happily Ever Now is. I took the tools and the experiences that I had, and I, as best as I could, I put them into a format, because I'm just a very ordinary human being. I didn't have any special upbringing, nothing. But just through self-discovery and a true desire to know myself, I had these experiences. And the reason I developed it as a class, as something that others could experience, is because I am no different from you. And I knew that if I could experience these things and transform, that everyone could. And anyway, just wanted to let you know what an important, special experience this is. It only happens twice a year. It's happening soon, and then it won't happen again for many, many months. So get yourself online and do this with me. People's responses and their testimonials and things that they've said, life-changing. Some people decided on a house with their partner because of this. Some people really improved their relationship with their partner. Some people had really miraculous things, and some people just had ordinary things that were still life-changing for them. So anyway, Happily Ever Now. It's always now. So saying happily ever after means it's always in the future. It's always happily ever now. How can we be happily in the now and befriend ourselves at every moment? And that's where we're going with this. Thank you.